Hello everyone. Today we are going to delve into the intriguing world of belly fats. It's a topic that concerns many of us, and understanding the science behind it can be eye-opening. So let's explore the formation, consequences, and ways to prevent belly fats. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what belly fats actually are. Belly fats, also known as visceral fats, are the fat deposits that accumulate around our abdominal organs. Unlike subcutaneous fats, those are found just beneath the skin. Visceral fats pose a greater health risk due to their proximity to critical organs. Research published in journal Diabetes Care in 2004 by Chernoff et al. Titled Regional Differences in Adipose Tissues Metabolism in Women, Minor Effects of Obesity and Body Fat Distributions explains that visceral fats have higher lipolytic activities, making them more prone to releasing fatty acids into the bloodstream. Now let's discover how belly fats are formed. The main culprit is an energy imbalance where we consume more calories than we burn. These excess calories are then stored as fats, especially in the abdominal region. Hormonal changes such as an increase in cortisol levels due to stress can also contribute to the accumulation of belly fats. A study published in the journal Obesity in 2015 by Karastroglu et al. Titled Distinction of White versus Brown Adipose Tissues in vitro and in vivo studies highlights how stress-induced cortisol release can lead to fat storage, especially around the abdominal area. Belly fats are more than just an aesthetic concern. They can have severe health consequences. Excess visceral fats releases inflammatory substances which can lead to chronic inflammation, insulin resistance, and a higher risk of developing various health conditions. Research published in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology in 2018 by Desprez et al. Titled Abdominal Obesity and the Metabolic Syndromes Contribution to Global Cardiometabolic Risks emphasizes that belly fats are a significant risk factor of developing cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndromes. Now let's focus on prevention and management strategies for belly fats. While sport reductions is not effective, a combination of a balanced diet and regular exercise can work wonder. A study published in International Journal of Obesity in 2016 by Zekisik et al. Titled Effect of Exercises on 24-month Weight Loss Maintenance in Overweight Women shows that engaging in regular physical activity helps in reducing overall body fats, including visceral fats. Alongside exercise, a healthy diet is crucial in the battle against belly fats. Focus on whole and unprocessed foods and incorporated a variety of nutrient-rich items into your meals. Research published in journal Nutrients in 2018 by MA et al. Titled Associations of Dietary Macronutrients Distributions with the Risk of Metabolic Syndrome in Middle-Aged and Elderly Chinese Adults suggests that a diet high in fiber and low in added sugars can aid in reducing visceral fats and lowering the risk of metabolic syndrome. Understanding belly fats from a scientific perspective gives us valuable insight into their formation, consequences, and effective prevention strategies. Remember, adopting a healthy lifestyle which includes a balanced diet and regular physical activities is key to managing belly fats and improving overall health. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, then please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comment if you would like to see more scientific topics explored in the futures. Until next time, stay curious and stay tuned. Stay healthy.